the Gadgets Hub. Here we bring you honest reviews on trending products in the gadget space. Stay glued till the end. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
We bring to you wireless rechargeable car vacuum cleaners. With powerful suction and low noise, this car vacuum cordless rechargeable can achieve the fastest and deepest cleaning, easily remove cat litter, pet hair, dust, debris etc. It utilizes a super strong motor with powerful suction and noise lower than 75 dB. It is very helpful to do daily cleaning. All-around cleaning for home car computer. This vacuum cleaner for car is equipped with 4 different attachments to better meet your cleaning needs, which provides deep cleaning for compressing vacuum sealer bags, inflate the swim rings, blower and duster 4-in-1. Quick charge and long working time. This mini vacuum cleaner adopted a high-capacity battery, and a fully charged battery with 3 to 4 hours can continuously use more than 20 to 30 minutes. Cordless design and portable, weighing just 0.98 pounds, this cordless vacuum cleaner for a car is small and compact enough to move it around you wish. It is also very cool and stylish. This is good for quick pickups and light-duty cleaning, since it is small and lightweight, makes it easy to grab and clean as you go without the heavy lifting of a regular vacuum. Note tips 1. Before vacuuming, please fully charge the handheld vacuum and let the filter be completely dried out to ensure sufficient suction and high-efficient dust collection. 2. Do not use the vacuum during charging to protect lithium battery life, the same as other lithium appliances. Click the link in the description. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.